In this video, I want to talk about how you can show after hours on Webull. Now to do this, you should use the mobile app. And what you want to do is you want to sign into the app. Make sure you have a verified account. So make sure your account is fully verified and opened. And then what you want to do is you simply want to open up the app. In there, you want to go to the chart. So it can be any stock that you want to know for. So just select any stock, and once you have the chart open, you want to go to the chart settings. So you want to click on the chart toolbox icon. It should be at the bottom right most of the time. In there, you want to go to the settings, and once you're inside of settings, you should be able to press on enable extended hours. Now, if you enable this and you toggle it on, you should now be able to see the after hours on Webull. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.